What's up, guys? Just going to check the focus over. So following a track day up to Bedford last weekend, we've had obviously had the exhaust issue, so hanger broken, so it's not a major problem, just got to fix that. We also had quite a long brake pedal on the way home, so just got to check the fluid level and then front pads just to make sure there's plenty of material in it. If not, we'll have to get some new pads for it. So let's have a look. Alright, let's just check this fluid level. So I've took the cap off. I reckon them could be low on fluid, you know. It's not looking too good, is it? So there must be quite a lot of wear on the pads. I don't think we've got any leaks. So that would suggest to me that the front pads are probably nearly worn out. So we'll have to whip a front wheel off and have a look, see what crack is. You know what, I was going to whip the wheel off, but to be perfectly honest, you can probably get in enough to see, get some light on it. I reckon it's alright, front pads are fine, I think. Yeah, you can see that. Pads look alright, don't they? Plenty. Other side. Bloody light on it. Yeah, that doesn't look too bad either. Yeah, pretty. Might as well check the rears while we're at it. Again, get some light on it. Torch. And yep, that's alright too. So the pads will check out fine. So the only thing really to do, we noticed was, as I said, the fluid was a little bit low. So we'll top that fluid up with some Millers, some racing brake fluid. Top that up and give it a test drive, see how it goes. Okay, so I've topped the fluid up, and in this car we put a little hole through the plastic panel there, because otherwise you have to take it all off to get to the reservoir, which is a massive pain in the ass. So last time round we just drilled a little hole in. Be really careful with brake fluid, because if it goes on the paintwork it does damage it, strip the paint off. So make sure you wipe up any spillages, and I say don't leave it on paintwork, especially because it will knacker it up. I was a little bit concerned where the fluid's gone, because obviously the brake pads aren't too bad. So excuse that racket in the background. Yeah, the brake pads aren't too worn, so I'm a little bit concerned about where it's gone, and may be leaking through the clutch perhaps, because it is, I think it shares the reservoir, the clutch and the brakes. So yeah, I'm just hoping that there isn't a leak on the slave cylinder down in the bell housing, which is causing the fluid to disappear. But anyway, we'll keep our eye there. I'm going to give it a quick test drive and check that the brakes are okay now, see how they feel. I also forgot we've got to bodge this exhaust back together temporarily, because we'll probably get a performance exhaust to stick on, but for now we'll just repair this old one, so at least I can take it out for a test drive. So got a little bit of a setup here. Yeah, DIY welder. Let's see how we get on. Too bad. Certainly stuck on anyway for now. So it might not be too bad repairs wise. Bit of exhaust welding and top the fluid up. But, yeah, it could be pretty unscathed after the track day, which is what we want. We don't want to be having a massive list of repairs to do. Now, one thing I'd say is the clutch still feels a bit dodgy. The actual clutch itself, it doesn't slip, there doesn't seem any issues like that. It's just the pedal is a bit, feels a bit peculiar. So I reckon probably the slave cylinder is a bit funky. So that's not going to cause a massive issue anytime soon. I mean, it's one of those jobs that, yeah, get the clutch done at some point. We don't want to it falling apart anytime unexpected. So we'll give it a blast, let the car warm up, we'll have a quick blast down a country lane, and then we'll know whether these brakes are okay or not. So yeah, temperatures is just starting to cool up, the oil temperature, so doing a couple of miles now, and I don't know whether the brakes, I think they're alright. It's difficult to tell really. Driving loads of different cars all the time, but I mean, yeah, they certainly work. Probably bleed them, give them a flush through, just to see before the next outing, just to make sure there isn't anything dodgy. But to be fair, they feel alright. I mean, I'll shut up and we'll have a little listen. I'll open windows, we'll listen to this engine. Let's go for it, see how the old girl feels. Or maybe I'll shut the window. As a drum with all these Bilstein done. Certainly not worn out after the track day. Which I know you'd expect. You'd expect things to be falling apart, but never know. Turn the traction off. It's so annoying, the traction off. I guess I might. Something coming the other way. Yep, there you go. Get you inside. Here we go. Bumpy, bumpy. Looking down again, get some composure. Sound wicked, but they we'll let them through. Tested the brakes out, didn't it? Seemed right. Sounds better than ever. That Trackday's blown all the cobwebs out. Well, I reckon you're alright. Just check the brake. Yeah, I think we're okay. Brakes are good. Come on, mate. Brakes are good. Let's check again. Yeah, pedal feels fine. And we'll check the exhaust, make sure that's still attached when we get home, which I think it is. The exhaust note hasn't changed, so I think we've got that stuck back on. So all in all, we're all right. We're ready for another day. MOT is due in a couple of weeks. So yeah, I'll call it an end there, and we'll see you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe, please. Bye. Well, it's still attached.